So we're gonna make my birria tacos today, and these are the seasonings that you'll use: cayenne pepper, onion. I use minced, or you can use powdered. Coriander, garlic powder, ground cumin, and some smoked paprika. You'll make a marinade out of that, which I'm gonna put that in the bowl, along with, I use vegetable oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you want to. It just has to help stick to the meat basically while it marinates for the minimum of 30 minutes. I generally prefer to do it for 7 hours or overnight, but we're going to start with the marinade. So then you make your marinade with the ingredients I just showed you. Use accordingly to how much steak you're cooking. In this case, I'm cooking 5 pounds. There is 5 pounds of lightly or thin slice steak in here. So you make the marinade, mix it all around, let the steak marinade for at least 30 minutes. So next step, hot skillet, a little oil in it, make sure it's good and hot because we're going to sear the steak. There's what it looks like after it's 30 minutes of marinade, kind of orangish because all the flavor. Then once you're done searing, take all that lovely leftover marinade and you'll pour that in the crock pot with your steak. You don't want to miss all that seasoning. And then after you're done, I use a little water in the hot skillet along with a cap full of oil, because two things is going to help release the stuff from the pan, and the oil will help the stuff stay in the steak meat. So once that's done, you got your heat turned. So to finish up these tacos, you start off with a tortilla. You're going to heat it up both sides. Then after your tortilla is heated up, you're going to add some onion, some cheese, and some steak. And now that you have your steak, your onion, cilantro in the taco, it's already heated up from the other side. We're going to try flipping the shell over so we can finish prepping. Then you just let it cook like that for a couple seconds. Let the cheese melt. Smash it down a little bit to get the juices flowing. Then you will plate it. And to go along with it, you'll take some of the juice out of your steak. Put it into a bowl to dip out of. That'll be your sauce for your tacos. So, then if I